Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have TECNO 6 Neo and I want to show you how see available random access memory on this device. See that, open settings application, and the first step we must activate our develop mode. To do that, tap on my phone and the version information where we have our build number. Tap sometimes to our build number. And to activate it, we must enter our look screen to confirm it. Now we are developer and we can go back to the main menu of our settings, scroll and choose system, where we have new additional option, developer option. We tap it and there memory. And now we have all information about our available random access memory that we have free 4 GB. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.